we do have one more thing.
Yes, Apple did the one more thing again. But wouldn't it be cooler if they just do the reveal during the M1 Silicon event the other day? Hi, Rev the Unboxer here. Just when I thought that Apple was predictable, they surprised us with a new product launch, the AirPods Max. So in December 2016, Apple released the very first AirPods, and then came the AirPods Pro that I really liked, and now finally after a lot of rumors and renders, this is it. Nope, it's not called the AirPods Studio, which would sound way cooler. Instead, they went with AirPods Max. Anyways, there's a lot of good news and some bad news that you might be surprised. So, let's take a closer look. So let's get the price out of the way. So the AirPods Max retails at $549. Yep, do not freak out. I just said $550 for a pair of headphones. And it's available right now for pre-order and will be shipped out on December 15. So can Apple justify that crazy price tag? Well, let's first take a look at the design. When I first looked at the leaked renders a few months ago, I wasn't really liking it, but after looking at the final product renders and images, I must say it looks kinda cool. Unlike the AirPods Pro, the AirPods comes in 5 different colors. Aside from your typical white or space gray, you also get other colors like green, pink/red, and blue. AirPods Max will feature a 40mm Apple design driver, which promises deep bass, accurate mid-ranges, and a crisp clean high frequency. Well, that's according to Apple. Each ear cup will be equipped with Apple's H1 chip, which is similar to the ones that you have on the AirPods Pro, for computational audio to deliver the highest quality listening experience. Apple says that the headphone features a breathable knit mesh around the ear cups that wraps around all the way to the stainless steel headband, which should distribute to help reduce the on-head pressure, which is very important for me if I'm going to use it for a long period of time. Unlike the previous AirPods, the AirPods Max will have a physical button, in this case a digital crown, a feature that is brought over from the Apple Watch, like the one you see here. Apple says that you can precisely control the volume, skip between tracks, answer phone call, and activate Siri. It's a great idea, however I just wish that the crown is bigger because I can't imagine looking for the small crown to do some adjustment. It's not going to be a great experience, but we will see. Aside from high fidelity sound, Apple also says that it comes with an adaptive EQ, which means it uses inward-facing microphones to measure what you're listening to, then adjust the frequencies of your music to deliver a rich, consistent experience. This probably means that it's going to sound really good. Of course, like the previous AirPods, the AirPods Max will come with all the features that we come to love, like the transparency mode, active noise cancellation, and even the newly added with iOS 14, the spatial audio. Which, if you haven't experienced it, it's really amazing, as if all the sound is all around you when you're watching something on your iPhone or your iPad. So basically you're getting the same user experience that we loved with the previous AirPods and AirPods Pro, only now with a larger form factor. The AirPods Max comes with this weird looking smart case, which according to Apple will make the headphone enter a low power mode that will preserve charge. Apart from that, it doesn't look like it offers any type of protection to your expensive headphones, as it leaves the headband and other parts exposed. I hope that this is not the only option that Apple offers, because I prefer something like a hard case so that I can protect my investment, say if I want to put it in my travel bag. Finally, the battery life. Okay, it's going to be much better than the AirPods Pro. Apple is saying that it could get up to 20 hours of audio playback, and yes, that is with active noise cancelling and transparency mode turned on, which is good. And with 5 minutes of charging via the Lightning connector, you can get up to 1 hour and a half of listening time, which is pretty decent charging rate. And yes, I did say Lightning connector, not USB-C, which at this price, it's a big letdown. Honestly, I'm quite excited about the AirPods Max. Anything to do with the AirPods lineup, I'm really a big fan of. But the price is a little bit pricier than I expected. Well, it's much more pricier really, considering that I can get a really good pair of headphones out there with half the price. For me personally, I'm more into this small AirPods easy to carry kind of thing. So, what do you guys think of the new AirPods Pro Max? Should I get it? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for my first impression of the newly announced AirPods Max. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to support me. I'll see you guys in the next one.